Going to the moon. Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets. Gold heart-shaped lockets.
Boys and girls, you know KoolKard love the kids. I brought you a special treat. Now, a couple episodes ago, I came on and I brought you a remote control car for adults. And I showed you how it burned rubber in the streets. I showed you how it burned rubber in my yard. It did donuts in the whole nine. But guess what? It was too far advanced for the youngins. And KoolKard love the kids. So once again, I brought you a special treat. But check it out, guys. This is a remote control toy car for the babies. This is supposed to be for the ages of 3, 4, and 5. Yes, it is a remote control car. You hear this thing? Let me show you how it works. So, we got this remote control right here, and I'm going to show you how it drives. It doesn't turn much, but it can go forward and it can go backwards, and when you reverse it, it does do a little turning itself. But it's not that far advanced. It's for the kids. It's a special treat. Remote control takes 2 AA batteries. This vehicle takes 2 AA batteries. Press this down like so. Listen to that, boys and girls. This thing can get out. Yes. And this is interchangeable. So, oh look. Press it down and it changes. It changes the music. And also on the remote control, have these buttons right here. This changes the music as well. Little lights in the front light up when it rides. It can go about 20 feet away with the remote control. And then it's gonna stall out on you. Kaput! But you don't want to do that. So you want to bring it back. You want to hit that reverse button before it goes 20 feet so you can have continuous play. This remote control car is from BeebeeRun. You can find it on Amazon for $16.99. If you got Prime, it'll get to you in about 2 days. If you want to pay a little extra, you can get it in 1 day. But this is pretty cool. I had never seen a remote control car like this for the youth, for the children. So this is cool. They can have their fun and they can play right along with, dad if he has remote control cars, or mom if she has remote control cars. The power button is just a simple little switch underneath the car right here. Cut that on, bam, there you go. You hear that thing? And it moves with this little wheel right here. That's all. These roll, but not really. I think it's more so this that controls everything. And these are interchangeable. You just turn it. I think it's, yeah, like that. Counterclockwise. And you got this one right here. This little blue. You put it on, let's see, like this. And now you got the blue one. Styling and profiling. However you like it, however y'all want it, little girls and boys. Then you got another one. Look, you got Berry Bear. Boom. So you got a couple different choices, a couple different sounds. You got music. You got sound effects. All you gotta do is push the little bear down, and it's on. Now listen, parents, if you have hardwood, you're good. Tile, linoleum, whatever, you're good. Carpet, it's a no-go. This is not gonna run on carpet. So be mindful. If you have all carpet in your house, don't pick this up because it's not gonna work. And I mean, this isn't really made for outdoors, so you don't want to get it for that either. It probably could run outdoors, but it's, it's just not really made for that. So you need tile, linoleum, or hardwood. Even if you got concrete, maybe you got a loft style apartment or something, I don't know. It will run on that. But carpet is a no-go. It's not gonna happen. Don't do it to your child because the child is gonna throw a fit. BeebeeRun, $16.99, Amazon. Pick it up. Y'all have a fun day and play. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell at the bottom so you can know when I come on with some more stuff for the boys and girls or tech, whatever it is. Share this video. Y'all have a great day. It's KoolKard, y'all.
Going to the moon, going to the moon for you, going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets, gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket, girl, you know you got me.